Design thinking, basic components and their meaning. Design thinking is an approach to finding creative solutions for complex problems by putting people and their needs at the center. Let's break down the fundamental components of design thinking, compare them to analogies, and include real-world examples to help you understand it better. First, empathy, understanding what really matters. Analogy, imagine you're a detective trying to uncover people's thoughts and feelings, like Sherlock Holmes, who doesn't just observe, but also adopts others' perspectives. Example, a team is developing an app for seniors. Instead of just studying statistics about older adults, they talk directly to them, observe their daily lives, and discover that large fonts and simple navigation are essential. Key points. You need to step into the user's shoes. Observe, listen, and ask targeted questions. Second, define the problem. Identify the core issue. Analogy. It's like a doctor treating not just the symptoms, but identifying the root cause of an illness. Example. A company notices that customers are returning products. Instead of just changing the return policy, they analyze feedback and realize that damaged packaging is often the root cause. Key points. Define the problem clearly and precisely. Ask yourself, what is the user's true need? Third, ideation, creativity without limits. Analogy. Think of brainstorming as a colorful box of Lego. You can take all the pieces and build something new without restrictions. Example. A team wants to design an eco-friendly cup. They throw out wild ideas like edible cups made from cookie dough. Some ideas are impractical, but others lead to innovative solutions. Key points. Think big without focusing on feasibility right away. Quantity over quality at this stage. More ideas mean more possibilities. Fourth, prototyping, making ideas tangible. Analogy. Imagine building a sandcastle. It's not perfect, but you can play with it and see how it works. Example, when designing a new chair, a simple cardboard model is created to test its shape and stability before expensive materials are used. Key points. Make your idea visible or tangible. Prototypes don't have to be perfect, they are for testing. Fifth, testing. Gather feedback and improve. Analogy. Imagine baking a cake and letting friends taste it to find out if it's sweet enough. Example, a new app is given to a test group. Feedback reveals that the sign-up process is too complicated. The team revises the app to make it more user-friendly. Key points. Be open to criticism and improvement. Testing is an iterative process. Keep refining. Summary for a deeper understanding. People at the center. Design thinking always starts with the needs of the users. Iterative process. It's not a linear approach. You can repeat steps as needed. Interdisciplinarity. Bring different perspectives to your team to foster diverse ideas. When applying design thinking, approach every phase with openness, creativity, and a willingness to learn. You'll see how powerful this approach can be in solving problems and fostering real innovation.